might get him. We got one locking up. Two. They're all locking. They're right above us. Heads down. Let's go. They're coming around behind us. I got here. Oh shit, they're locking us. Those guys are locking right there.
How far?
Right here, straight out in front of us. They're gonna come land with those of them.
If they come over us, we should just try for them.
You got him. 8 of them. Directly above us. You got another pack in there too.
Sorry, we're gonna kill these ones.
Alright, they're going behind us.
You ready?
No, I did not.
Should we take them?
No, there's more coming.
We got 4 inland.
Yeah, we got 4 in landing. See?
Kill him!
Two.
Gun jammed.
Holy shit, look at the birds.
Yeah, get
Hey, get down, get down, get down, get down. Freaking gun jammed, are you kidding me? I wasn't gonna let another one fly by.
Alright, we got. It's a group of 15 and we got a group of 30. Let them come in anytime.
We're shooting at whatever comes close, please.
We have a big group to the right.
Take your flags out. They're really high, but swinging. Alright, they're swinging back.
Coming in hot. Coming in hot. From the right. Coming in right now. From the right.
Behind us.
What do you think? Trying behind
I'm
us?
gonna call him. Wait, don't move. It's down. We got it's down. That's sleeping.
Get him! Really, only two? Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Coming back, coming back, coming back. We gotta go get birds. Well, that's all right. Well, hopefully we'll kick them up when we go get birds.
They're coming back. They're coming back.
They're making a full swing.
Are you sure they're coming back?
Oh, they're gone now.
Oh, I see him. Little fellers. All right, got mobbed. Couple flocks to commit. Knocked down 2 so far this morning. Pretty solid win. Hopefully a lot more birds to come. Didn't do an intro. Kind of got here. I don't know. I was so excited. There was a bunch of birds in this field last night. Hopefully we'll get a couple more. Those were honkers, weren't they?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
To the right, we got 2 coming in. They're coming in hot.
High or hot?
They're hot, hot. Coming in the land.
Is it only the 2?
Yeah, it's only 2.
Alright. Oh, they're far out.
They're coming in the land right now. They're set. Right here. You guys ready?
Oh, they're landed. Alright. I'm gonna take them on 3 and they're on the far right.
I'm gonna stand back.
3. I wounded that one. Got the first one.
Where's the other one?
He's right here down.
Both of them?
Right.
No, the one's he's wounded bad.
Where's he at?
Flying out front. He's gonna go down.
Watch him.
I hit him hard. He's across the field. He went down.
Well, so who's taking a walk? I ain't going over there.
Got him. Should I bring my gun?
already committed at this point to running back.
Two of them. Give it harder. They're coming. Keep going. Keep going. They're gonna come behind us and swing around. Heads down, everyone. Heads down. Stay down. They're gonna come behind us. They flared up. Are they? They didn't like something. We're gonna come back around. Yeah. So they come out wider this time. Here they come. They're coming in quiet. Give it to them. Come back down. They're still high. They gotta come down. Yeah, probably gonna swing one more time. The geese landed last time. They're on the ground. Go away. I'll keep eyes on them. They're gonna come behind us. 47. Heads down. Some of them are coming. Don't move. Wide. We're still 200 yards. Heads down. Three groups locking. Stay down. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. There's stuff from behind. They're coming left. You get some on the right to lock. Hopefully this last week.
Anything land yet?
Oh, dude, like 20 of them landed already.
In the field?
After a latch or what?
That's it right there.
We all need to get out and chase it. Yeah, keep calling. We might be able to come back.
All right, everybody. Well, hope you enjoyed this hunt. Hunted the same field 2 days in a row. First day, as you saw in the last video, we knocked down 12. Today we knocked down 5. Still not a terrible hunt by any means. I think that brings the season total to 88 honkers. And today is currently this hunt took place on the 19th of September. So 19 days in the season, 88 birds, almost doubling what we killed in the entire 3-month waterfowl season last year. So needless to say, we're figuring things out. Getting pretty excited. This is kind of a trial year for us last year. We just got into field hunting, like not even right at the beginning of September. Tried to kill geese over water for the first couple of days. Got fed up, spent a bunch of money we didn't have, and bought some field equipment and killed a few honkers last year. Killed a lot more this year. Feeling confident. There has been rumors in the mix that we may start doing some guiding next season. There are some goose hunters up here, but they seem to peter out after opening weekend. A lot of people interested in goose hunting. I think we've taken out probably 9 or 10 people that have never done it before, completely free of charge. But gonna start to capitalize on our goose hunting spots. Got a lot of fields, a lot of birds. Probably charge. I mean, most guys seem to charge anywhere from $200 to $250 for one person to go goose hunting. Probably gonna cut that in half. Do a bunch of discount deals, maybe college discount, father-son discount, active military free, of course. Active or retired military free, of course, through the old Hunters for Life mission. On that. Get things into the works. You just kind of want to put that out there if anybody's interested in making a trip up to the UP next September. Shoot some honkers. Any hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Whatever you're feeling, leave a comment down in that comment section below. We love talking with you guys. And until next time, happy adventures.